Terror suspect Sardana says another person stayed at Vasco Railway dormitory, impersonating him. Somebody planned to fix him. Bomb data recovered is old and junk. Regional parties have personal agenda to stay in power, not for development, says Digvijay Singh. Mum on alliance. Congress not to take immediate action against anti-party leaders. Union government has become Hitler Raj. ABVP Sangh Parivar working with polarization agenda. Calling JNU a hotbed for jihadists is irresponsible. Swami Agnivesh slams union ministers. Truck owners to be off-road yet again. No transportation of e-auction ore or freshly extracted ore from Thursday. Decide truck owners. Two Congress panel candidates from CCP election drop out from last minute. 4 BJP aspirants fill forms as independents. Final list to be clear by Friday. Terror suspect Samir Sardana, out on bail, has now claimed that somebody impersonated him. Somebody else in his name booked and stayed at Vasco Railway dormitory. The evidences have been planted against him to fix him for reasons unknown. Sardana also claims his laptop was not password protected. The data related with bomb blast was very old and remained in his pen drive and a CD as junk data. Sardana is out on bail as the police do not have any clinching evidence of terror links against him.
Samir Sardana, found moving suspiciously at Vasco Railway Police Station, was quizzed by the local ATS, NIA and the IB for over 10 days but finally released on bail. Prudent has voice recording of Sardana where he claims of his impersonation for reasons unknown. Between 11 to 13 January, somebody else booked and stayed at Vasco Railway dormitory impersonating like him, which created all the suspicion against him.
How this whole thing started was, that in this Vasco da Gama station, somebody stayed on my name between 11th and 13th. You can check the record. Okay? In the room. Okay? The copy of that booking is with a man called Mr. Raya Naik.
Yeah.
Okay, he has got it on his cell phone. He has got it on his cell phone.
Okay.
On that day, I was staying somewhere else. In Konkan Railway Corporation's dormitory.
Where?
I have got receipt of that also.
11 January से 13 January.
Yeah. Now, the person who stayed here, he had booked his train ticket from Visakhapatnam to Bombay. On that day, I was in Bombay. उसका भी ticket मेरे पास है. Are you with me? So somebody stayed on my name to entrap me. Then these bums came to me. See, this is the ground for their suspicion. Understand? The whole ground is baseless. And these fellows have not investigated it. Are you with me?
His claim is that his laptop was not password protected as claimed by police and he never visited any Islamic country. He says,
My laptop has no password. See, on my laptop there is nothing. The data which they are talking about is on one USB device and on one CD out of 12. That CD was bought in 2002. At that time, I was based in Hong Kong. So what I should do is I used to dump data onto my internet cafe and then copy it en masse from there into a CD. In that process, all this junk gets done. So my laptop has no intermittent data at all. And that data was dumped in 2008. After that, I have not even visited a single Islamic nation in the Middle East.
Sardana is out on bail as probing agencies are not able to gather any clinching evidence on the suspected terror link. The seized electronic and other documents are being analyzed. Sources say the possibility of police taking him again into custody cannot be denied. Mukesh Kumar with Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Goa desk in charge of Congress, Digvijay Singh, says the regional parties have agenda only to stay in power, not for a development. He said regional parties have personal agendas, hence they can't contribute to the development of state. Reacting to a media question on Congress MLA Jennifer Monserrat's anti-party alliance, he said Congress will not take action for anti-party activity, as party doesn't want to give the MLA benefit of being an unattached MLA.
But if you see the role of regional parties in the states, and particularly in smaller states like Goa, one does not really know what is the main objective. Everything is forgotten once the results are out, and then how to come into power and become ministers becomes the real objective of these small parties. Now, MGP was in government with us also, and MGP is in government with BJP also. It is totally devoid of any ideological moorings. It is only to satisfy their political and personal, more personal than political aspirations. Election law जो है वो ये कहता है कि पार्टी विप को जो डिफाई करेगा, he will lose the membership. If we take action against them, it gives them an opportunity to remain a MLA and yet support and vote against the party whip. So it is better to keep them hanging. Tomorrow there will be a youth congress rally where all the issues of non-implementation of the election promises of the BJP and their election manifesto will be raised. All the issues of corruption which have come into light of the BJP government will be raised. Delisting of coconut tree from the Protected Trees Act will be raised.
Meanwhile, Youth Congress will take out a rally in South Goa protesting against failure of the BJP government to fulfill their promises. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar and Tukaram Marathe for Prudent.
ABVP and other allied organizations working for Sangh Parivar are trying to polarize the country. Criticizing government is considered as traitorship. Social activist Swami Agnivesh spoke to Goan media. Where is Lokpal as promised by the Modi government? Union Home Minister's statement on JNU as hotbed of terrorist and jihadist is highly irresponsible. Swami Agnivesh slammed Union Ministers Rajnath Singh and Subramanyam Swamy for their utterances.
JNU हमारे देश का लगभग मैं कहूँगा सबसे ज़्यादा प्रतिष्ठित यूनिवर्सिटी है. उसकी आपने पूरी प्रतिष्ठा ख़त्म कर दी, कहा कि JNU हैज़ बिकम हॉटबेड ऑफ सारे टेररिस्ट जिहादिस्ट, ऐसा बोल के सुब्रमण्यम स्वामी फतवा दे रहा है. कोई एविडेंस है तो बताएं. इतना गैर जिम्मेदारा बयान देना इंडिया के होम मिनिस्टर को, इट्स ए शेम. अभी तक लोकपाल नहीं बनाए और ये क्यों नहीं ला रहे लोकपाल अपना? ये थे मोदी जी ने, वो खोखले साबित हो रहे हैं. सरकार की आलोचना करो तो देशद्रोह. तो ये हथकंडा था हिटलर का, फासिज्म का. वो सेंसेक्स भी नीचे जा रहा है, रुपया भी एकदम नीचे जा रहा है, और सब कुछ मिलाकर के टोटल जो है, जो होप्स दिए थे इन्होंने कि ब्लैक मनी ले आएंगे, वो तो पूरी तरह से धोखा निकला. ABVP, RSS और उनके संघ परिवार के एजेंडे पर काम करने वाले संगठन हैं. वो देश में एक पोलराइजेशन का और वायलेंस का वातावरण बना रहे हैं.
Truck owners have yet again decided to be off the road till they get trip bill statement from the SEZA company. Truck owners held a meeting on Wednesday morning to discuss the fresh ore trip rate issue. Truck owners accused the company of arbitrary rates and payments for the trip. Now they have decided to even stop transportation of the auction ore along with the freshly extracted one. They are demanding a rate of 11 rupees 27 paise per ton per kilometer for the fresh mined ore.
हे आमदाराचे मंत्र्याचे पोट भरूंक आनी ह्या वेदांताक पयसो इंग्लंडा घराच्या हे मायनिंग आमी चालू धरूंक जायना. आमी स्वता जावन बंद करूया. जो पर्यंत आमी केल्ल्या कामाचो हिशोब आमकां मेळना तो पर्यंत हे आमी काम बंद दवरची गरज आसा. ही सगळ्यांनी नोंद म्हाज्या भावांनी घेवची. कित्याक हे तुम्हीच त्रासान पडटल्यात, काम करून तुम्ही त्रासान पडटल्यात, तेन्ना तुमची फाल्यां जर तुमचे कडेन येयलो कोणूय येयलो जाल्यार ताका पयलीं सांग, पयलींचो स्टेटमेंट पयलीं दी, मागीर आमी गाडयो चलयता म्हणून. जावन ही कंपनी बंद 3 वर्सां आमची कोणी काळजी करूंक ना, 3 वर्सां कशे तरी आमी काडले. हे आनीक 2 म्हयने काडुया, तांकां दाखोवन दिवया ट्रक मालक कितले आसा ते. 8.5 रुपयांनी मान्य आसा ना, सगळे आमी बंद दवरतले फाल्यांच्यान. फ्रेश ओवर असो, ई ऑक्शन असो, सगळे बंद दवरपाचें फाल्यांच्यान.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.